Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent, and the topic is grids, or we can say numbers in square or circles, or we can say in a shapes, okay, in 2D dimensional. Okay, so there is a number arrangement in these shapes, and as per this one, inside there is some relations of that all the numbers in specific pattern, or we can say specific formats, and in between one number is missing, and that is given with a question mark, and that number we have to find out with some mathematical relations. Okay, so to find out this one, there are some important tips. First is find out the similar relation between the numbers first of all. Okay, so those numbers are present inside the shapes, or we can say on the vertices of the shapes, or sides of the shapes. So in this one, the shapes are used, okay, square, circle, hexagon, or we can say the triangle, or any shapes. Okay, so inside or outside or on that one, there are the numbers, and that numbers relations we have to find out. That is the first. Second, to find out the relations, the student should know odd, even number, prime number, composite numbers up to the 100. Already this topic we have covered in our mathematics. Okay, so if you are not familiar with that topic, please watch that video first of all, and then comes here, so that we can solve it this grids or numbers in this shapes. That is topic. So that topic will be very easy for you once you are familiar with this 1 to 100 numbers. Okay, then topic number 3, the student should know squares of the number up to 25. Okay, the student should know the cubes of members up to 10. Okay, means 1 to 10, whatever their cube number, that must be know, and squares of 1 to 25 must be remember. Okay, and topic 5, the student must be able to find out the mathematical relations between the numbers having 2 or more digit. Questions can be asked having some other relations between the numbers also. Specifically 1 to thousands. Okay, 1 to thousands, some numbers relation means up to the squares also. So 25 square is a 625, and 10's cube is a 1000. Okay, so most probably below the thousands, the numbers squares and the cube number, that must be known, means we can say 1 to 25 numbers, cube root or the square roots. Okay, we are going to see some concept about the grids. Okay, so question number 1 is there, which number will come in place of the question mark in a table? So here is the question mark. So here which number will come, so belongs to the options that we have to find out. So here what is the exactly relation? So vertical manner, okay, means 7 plus 8, we can say 15. So this is additions, and this is equal, like this one. So like the same, 6 plus 4 is a 10. So 9 plus 5 is a 14. 14 means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 2, which number will replace the question mark in a question number? So to find out the relation in between this one, so we can say 3 multiplied by 4, we can say 12 is there. Likewise 5 multiplied by 3 is a 15. So 4 multiplied by 20 is equals to 20. So question mark should be replaced with a 20, means option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 3, which number from the option will replace the question mark in a box? So for this one, if you see, so there are the 7, then 14, 21, okay, then 28. So this is a 7's multiples, or we can say 7 numbers table. So 7, 14, then 21, 28, then 35, and after this one the 42, then 49, and then 56, and after the 56 there is the should be the 63, and so this is a vacant place, means with a question mark, so that can be replaced with a 63. So 7 9 is 63, means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 4, which number from the option will replace the question mark? So here the question mark, if you see, though there is a opposite means this pedals opposite, or we can say the pizza's cutting, we can say in another way. So 7 plus 5 is a 12. Okay, and 8 plus 4 is a 12, 6 plus 6 is a 12. So likewise 9 plus something should be is equals to 12. So 9 plus 3 should be 12. So 3 means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 5, which number will come in the replace of the question mark? So question mark should be here in the triangle. So in this one, if you see the additions of all the outer digits, means 3, 5 and 2. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 is a 10. Okay, so this inside number, if you multiply by 2, that one also we can get the 10, and others additions of all the outer numbers means 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to also 10. So means we can say this is the relation. Means inside numbers we can say the double is equals to the outside digits addition. So here 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is a 12. Okay, so 6 multiplied by 2 is a 12. So this is the relations is perfectly matched. So same relation we will apply here. 5 plus 6 is a 11 plus 7 is equals to 18. So 18 should we can get with a multiply by 2 should be 18, means which number should be there? So there should be the 9. So 9 multiplied by 2 should be the 18. So 9 means option number 1 should be the correct. Now question number 6, which number will replace the question mark? So here the question mark here. So there is a relations 2 multiplied by 2 means that we are getting the 4. Likewise 4 multiplied by 2 8. 3 multiplied by 2 means we can say at the center we can say multiply by 2 means 3 multiplied by 2 6, 2 multiplied by 2 is a 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 5 multiplied by 2 is a 10. Likewise 6 multiplied by 2 12, and 7 multiplied by 2 there should be the 14. 14 means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 7, which number will replace the question mark? So question mark is here. So here if you add 12 plus 6 we are getting 18, and 18 multiplied by 2 we are getting this number. Okay, so same manner 5 plus 4 is a 9, 9 multiplied by 2 here 18 should be there. 7 plus 8 is a 15, and 15 multiplied by 2 30. So this relations is perfectly matching with that. So in a question mark 18 should be there. 18 is given in option number 2. Now question number 8, which number will replace the question mark? So question mark is here. So in this one 5 and 6, this multiplication if we are do means 5 multiplied by 6 we are getting the 30, and with this product of this one if we are divided by 2 we are getting the 15 means the middle number. Okay, so likewise 9 multiplied by 6 is a 54, by 2 means there should be the 27, and here 7 multiplied by 8 is a 56, and by 2 means 28 given get. Okay, so means here 27 should be there, and this is given in option number 1. Then question number 9. So question mark is here. If you subtract 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 we are getting the 5, and same number we are multiplying with this one, or we can say that digit square if we are doing, so we are getting this 25 means 5 square is a 25. Likewise 5 minus 2 is a 2, so 2 square is a 4. Then 9 minus 5 is a 4, and 4 square is a 16. So 16 means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 10. So here which number will be replaced to the question mark? So here question mark is here. So if you add all the vertices digits, okay, so 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 is a 6, and multiply by 2 we are getting 12, which is a middle number. Likewise here 2 plus 3 is a 5, plus 9 sorry 4 is a 9. Okay, 9 multiplied by 2 we are getting 18, which is a middle number. So like this one 2 plus 5, 7 plus 7 is a 14, multiplied by 2 we are getting 28, and this should be the replace to the question mark, means option number 2 28 is the correct one. Then question number 11, which option will replace the question mark? So question mark will be the here. So if you make this digit square additions of this digit square, so 1 square is a 1, 4 square is a 16, so 1 plus 16 is equals to this 17. So likewise 2 square and 5 square, so additions of this one 2 square is a 4, and 5 square is a 25, so additions of this one 29, and this is a here perfectly matching. So this is the relations. Likewise 3 square and 4 square, this additions, so 3 square is a 9 plus 4 square is a 16, so that should be the 25, and this is given in option number 3. Then question number 12. So which number will replace the question mark? So here is the question mark. So if you find out the relations between this one, so this is a prime number sequence, means 3 5 7 then 11, 13. Okay, after this 17, then 19, and then 29. So after this 29, which number is in prime number sequence? So there is a 29 is there. Okay, after 23. So 29 means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 13. Observe the number in a circle and find out the correct answers. So to replace the question mark. So here, if you find out in the question mark, so if this number is multiplied by 2, we are getting the 8, and after this from the 8, if we are subtracting 1, we are getting the 7, which is a opposite of this numbers, means 7 is here. Likewise, this 6 multiplied by 2 is a 12, minus 1 is a 11, and 11 is here, means opposite of this one. So same, 13 multiplied by 2 is a 26, and 26 minus 1 is a 25. This number is given opposite of this 13. So same relations means 9 multiplied by 2 is a 18, 18 minus 1 is a 17. So 17 should be replaced to the question mark. 17 is a question, option number 4. Then question number 14. So which number will become to replace the question mark? So question mark is here. So to find out in this one, if you multiply these two numbers, okay, at the triangles, we can say the bottom sides. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 5. So 7 multiplied by, this is a 35, and this numbers square means 2 square is a 4. Okay, so 35 minus 4, we are getting 31, and this 13 is 1 is a replacing to the, or we can say present at the center. So likewise, 8 multiplied by 7, we are getting the 56, and this 4 square is a 16. So 56 minus 16, so we are getting 40. So this relations is matching. So same relations we are applying here. 6 multiplied by 7 is a 42, and 5 square is a 25. So 14 minus 25, we are getting the 17. So 17 should be replaced to the question mark, and 17 is given in option number 1. Now, which number will come to the replace the question mark? So this 5 and this 4, additions of this one, we are getting the 9, and 9 square is a 81. Okay, likewise 9 plus 10, we are getting the 19, and 19 square is a 361. So likewise, 144 is a square number of the 12, and to come the 12, additions of these two, so 7 is already here, so 7 plus something that should be the 12. Okay, so that will 5 plus 7, we are getting the 12. So 5 should be replaced to the question mark. So 5 is given in option number 2. Thank you.